Average what? You don't have an income. Your average is 0. So you spent $20,000?
Yeah, I have like 10 different businesses I'm working on pretty much. Passive incomes left and right, you know what I mean?
None of them make money.
Don't make money.
This is a workout tracking app. Every iPhone comes with one immediately.
Yeah, but if you have Perplexity, you can put deep research, and then what you could do is put the bad reviews and then put like, hey, make my app better than this app.
Dude, it's AI slop. You can't even do everything that you're saying. What's the other one? What's the next one, you pathetic piece of shit?
Hey, it's a dating app, you know what I mean?
Oh my goodness!
It's gotta, try to get like some girls.
Like, what, are you creating a predator app?
No.
For yourself?
No.
I thought of making, I thought it'd be cool, like, oh, it'd be a fun little thing if you could do things with AI. Everyone has the brain to quickly go into something. You just have to tell yourself not to. That's when you know you're at least halfway decent at being an entrepreneur. But I was like, oh, we can make shit now. Maybe we should make a finance dating app. And I said no. Because one, it's Series A financing coming. Dude, this is pathetic. He thinks if he can just build an AI website, he's actually gonna make it. This is every entrepreneur that could never make it before today. You do this, you're a failure. No, you are a failure.
For now.
I need you to give up.
Look, I keep on getting like denied by
I need you to give up on life.
Nah, I think there's
not a literal way.
There's a good possibility I'll make. Yeah, I also have a gaming one too. It's like Grid Crush.
Did you Grift Crush?
A Grid Crush.
Grift Crush? You are a grifter. You
like Tetris, kind of, you know what I mean?
Yeah, there's no other ones like that.
Yeah, Apple keeps rejecting me. I don't know why. It's like, man.
Saving the world, man.
I'm trying.
No, Apple.
Oh, no, there's something. I'm going to get it through eventually, though. So, yeah, the thing is that I could do that other people can't is I have, like, Hermes, Open Claw.
You have herpes? That's great. I'm so happy for you.
Hermes. So, like, what I could do is I could just have this programming while I walk away. Can you do that?
Yes.
You got to pay people.
I can also just do it if I set it up on my own. I'll create a little Claude bot.
No, you got to get Hermes orchestrating the open clause.
Everyone can do it. I can do Perplexity Computer. I can do Claude Computer. They all have it now. Shut the fuck up.
Not Hermes.
We all know what you're doing. $0 is coming in, correct?
No, I think I got some cents from my music.
Just cents.
And then, Instagram. I haven't checked Instagram, how many I got there.
No, you didn't get anything, I promise.
Yeah, but last year before that, I was making 180K.
For last year?
The year before that.
What'd you make, or how?
Because I'm a salesman. I've been doing sales for...
Go back into sales, dude.
I don't know. I kind of want to do sales plus AI or something.
Fine. Yeah, do it in conjunction. But go back into sales as a start.
Yeah.
What were you selling?
So I was selling for a company, had like the biggest landscape.
What were you selling?
Software. I'm really good at selling software.
There you go. Go into tech sales. I'll get you a tech sales certification from Course Careers. You can use that to get a job.
I got a bachelor's degree. I don't need that.
There you go. Well, it helps boost the base pay and whatnot. And just going through the application process for sure. But either way, okay, why can't you do that again, man? Because you have a lot of debt to pay off. And you can't literally afford to come back from Prague.
Yeah, no. I also have another business. Honestly, I don't remember what it was.
Dude, I need something, please.
Yeah.
Think. I need information. Please. I can't do this conversation without it.
I also have...
No, answer the question. No, seriously, think. Think for a second, please. I need you to think.
This is hard.
I know, please, just think. We can pause for a second if you can just think. Please, seriously, I need it. It's very important.
So how much is the amount?
Oh, shit. Well, it totaled up. I don't have the individual. But it totaled up as $2,712.97.
I mean, I think I cashed out my 401k.
That wouldn't be from Venmo. Dude, you were the stupidest person I've ever met. And I don't know how you made it in sales. How you were able to talk to people. I'm really good at
sales, yeah, and IT.
I don't know how you were able to talk in IT.
Oh, I sold my one house, and then I kind of wasted it on subscriptions.
The AI subscription?
Yeah, like every single.
I hate you. Besides your ADHD.
As far as I know, I could have something. I could not. Maybe autistic, maybe. I'm not sure.
No. I don't think you're autistic, dude. I just think you're okay. Okay, very good. So I can still call you because you're not mentally disabled. You're just...
Yeah, so I borrowed money from my dad. It was like $20K. I paid him back, though. I sold my house to pay him back.
Oh!
So...
me. What
Yeah.
did you use that 20K on?
I f***ed up.
Oh no, the AI slop company that you just made the last batch? Okay. Okay, Mark, can you go get a bottle of water, please?
Yeah, let's try.
So you spent $20,000?
Yeah, so I kind of f***ed up where,
Oh, we learned that already.
yeah. So I kind of hired a bunch of employees, so.
You hired a bunch of employees. That's so irresponsible to them. To
Yeah.
them. It's so rude to them.
I mean, I had to pay them back, so they were
Your
like
dad or your employees?
the employees.
Yes,
and
you
my
have to
dad,
pay
yeah.
your employees.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you are the worst among us. Tell me about your employees. What did you do?
I kind of learned their job.
No. Who'd you hire? How much?
Oh, okay. So I hired a whole bunch of people from Fiverr. So you're gonna see like a whole bunch of Fiverr charges like crazy.
To do what? Edit videos? What were they doing on Fiverr?
So I have like a spiral methodology or whatever that like
What?
like the way I work is, you know, there's a waterfall method, there's a spiral method.
Oh my goodness.
So
And
the way-
yours is?
I mean, I'll explain it in English. I go from end to beginning. So I was like trying to automate the business, but business doesn't need automated. You got to do it from the start to the finish. And I kind of went end, beginning. So
I don't know what you're talking about. Buddy, what employees did you hire?
these people from Fiverr.
I know.
Yeah.
What roles? How much?
Oh, everything. It could be graphic design. It could be like AI.
Graphic design, and that's what they came up with?
Yeah, this took a while to do. Like we had to.
No, it didn't. That is the shittiest thing.
No. This is a lot more to it, man. Like you got the FDA. You got the FDA stuff.
I
you know
hate
what
your
I mean?
shit.
I picked the
I
wrong.
hate you.
I picked the wrong.
I hate you. I
it's all right.
hate you.
It's all right.
I hate you.
I
How
love
much
that.
did you spend on Fiverr people? How
Oh,
much of that
man.
20K?
How much? What?
Of the 20,000 did you spend on these employees?
Probably all of it, man. But I learned their job, so it's right up here. You know, I got something money can't buy. You know what I'm saying? So it's like
Success? Yeah, you do. You do not have success.
it's a weird route.
You
It's
certainly did not buy it. Average what? You don't have an income. Your average is 0.
Well, I mean, I did have like a 60K job, so and then the other one was
So,
180.
okay, are we going to pretend like you got your 60K job back?
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, we could do that. I can do that, okay? Because your minimum payments, mortgage included, your
Yeah, it's pretty
is
tough.
shut up. What hits your account on a monthly basis during that job?
So I was making about 1,800 every 2 weeks or something. I think.
Really?
I forget. Yeah, to be honest.
No, come on. Try to remember. Really dig deep for me, please.
I mean, I don't have my AI on me.
No, I don't need
let's see.
that.
You got a calculator. You could do it. Let's do 52. You know, 60,000 divided by 52.
You know, there's taxes and shit, right?
Yeah, but I'll give me at least an estimate. Then I'll be like, oh, okay, now.
Okay, it was right. It just seemed too high. Minimum monthly payments
That was
included.
right.
No.
Oh,
So 60 is what you made. 60,000.
yeah, about.
Okay, let's just say it's like, I don't know. I'm being generous by saying like 47,000 after taxes.
True.
New York, no. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Your minimum payments, required minimum payments, are literally $300 a month more than your base pay. So, and that's before doing rent, food. No,
Yeah.
honestly, I'll be honest. I hope you fail. I hope you're. Sometimes I don't make budgets because it's impossible or because I don't like someone. I'm purposefully just like, I hope you crash and burn because it might be the only way you learn. And that will be a valuable lesson for yourself. And you're not an entrepreneur. You're not creative. You're not smart. You can't do shit. Go work a job. Live a normal life. Budget. Go yourself. You're pathetic. You're bringing all of society down.